fucking laying next to Darth Vader. Jesus Christ. How am I supposed to sleep like this? It's been a solid 30 minutes. Luke, I am your father. Perfect.